But here at R2 Motorsports, we make your exotic experience very affordable. I mean, you don't have to be a millionaire, a billionaire to afford these cars, because there's one thing of just buying them, and there's another of making sure the maintenance is up to date. And sometimes the maintenance is more than buying the car itself, depending on where you go. If you come here, we got your back. We don't overcharge. We don't upsell a lot of stuff. We don't pressure you. We're here to make sure you enjoy your car because we want you for a lifetime. We don't want to do a hit it and quit it kind of ordeal. We want to make sure you keep coming back. And by doing that, we want to earn your trust. By earning your trust is doing the job that the car needs and not overextending. It needs $10,000 worth of stuff, which most dealership or more shops will say. Every time you go to a shop, it's like, well, it's $5,000 here, $10,000 here, $6,000 here. And you're like, geez, I only had the car for a year. I already spent $7,000 on it. Not here. And also here at R2, our reputation is worth way more than any kind of money. So I want to make sure that every customer leaves here happy, because our reputation is number one. Because that person will talk to another person and will talk to another person, and that's the best advertising a shop could have, is referrals. Anything else is great, Google ads and all this good stuff, but a customer talking to another person recommending me here, best advertising.